My name is Esther Kanga. I work as a program coordinator, Kirira Child Welfare in Kenya. I am a mother and a mentor, a counselor for girls and women.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Está bien. My name is Irene Liala and I'm from Kenya.
Hola, my name is Purity Karibi Siango. I'm 20 years old. I'm from Tharaka, Kenya. I'm a student at Kenyatta University pursuing Bachelor of Arts, specializing in psychology, sociology and gender and development studies.
I'm Agnes Mudhoni Kamada, 25 years old. I'm a student in Tangaza University College. I'm specializing in sustainable human development.
My name is Valeria Pembe. I'm 20 years old. I'm doing Bachelor of Science in Biomedical Science at Leicester University.
Hello, my name is Josephine Samani. I'm 21 years old and I'm doing civil engineering in the University of Castellana.
My name is Angeline Kamene. I am 21 years old. I study at PC Kinyanjui Technical Training Institute.
My expectation is a bright future for the girls. Kirira has exposed me to meet girls and women in different spheres of life, endangered with culture, tradition, and especially female genital mutilation and early marriages.
I'm 29 years old. I'm turning 30 years old this year in August, and I'm looking forward because people say that 30 years is the age, is the defining year, that to just create yourself and plan yourself for a better future.
I expect to become a great lady in future, both locally and globally, and I would like to help many people as I can, just the way Kirila has helped me and how it has helped other girls from my community. I would like to enlighten my community on the importance of education, on the importance of embracing education and doing away with harmful cultural practices like female genital mutilation. I always believe that we can help each other through sharing information, knowledge, what you know, and also through the material possession. That can be able to change someone's life.
My future expectation is that I'm hoping to get a job so that I can help less fortunate children, orphan, my family, and also myself. We can help each other by joining our hands together so that we can make our dreams to become true by taking them to school.
I started with Kirira 2010 up to now 2021, 11 years ago. So as you can see, it has been a long time. They have been feeding, buying clothes, paying my school fees, are doing everything that I need. And by now I'm in a technical college pursuing a course that is general agriculture. I would like me to, in future, after finishing my studies, I get job. I just pray God that to help me to have that ability to help another child in my community, the orphans, even the children in need there, that I can even give a support to one or two or five, depending on how life will be. But I pray and I expect that it is going to be good, and I know I will make it to help as Kirira helped me. Thank you very much.
I want to work hard on my studies in order to be a great person in future, to get a great job, so that I can make changes or difference on the things that are happening also to be a great to contribute to the community by helping the vulnerable children.
My contribution to my community is to ensure every girl child is safe from FGM, that they should be able to have confidence in themselves, know their rights and freedoms, and join hands together to fight against all malpractices that harm every girl child and be a barrier to their dreams or goals.
With Kirira, I have an opportunity to nurture and mentor these girls and women and help them to come out of self-denial and accept themselves as wonderfully and marvelously made.
I'm a child of a single mother and a brother. At the moment, I work for the government of Kenya. I'm an assistant county commissioner, whereby I monitor. It's mostly to do with security.
What I want to tell girls in my community is to focus on education, because when you are educated, you are empowered.
I would like to advise all the girls there that life is like riding a bicycle. Keep your balance when you are riding a bicycle. You have to move forward. And this is to tell us that we should work hard on our studies, because education is all about empowerment, and it is the most important thing that can prevent this global poverty. So, and also remember that great things never comes from a comfort zone.
And my advice to every girl is know your worth, know your rights and freedoms. Learn to stand on your own feet. Save your community. Be a role model. Be an eye opener to your society and community. Fight for your fellow women. Make a way and show them the way. Thank you very much.